abusuafo emobia ti emo papa edoba HYTV eso na York FM anopa no sombre mu akankase ayensa kan ya jibresi nkonya ayede ba besomwo no kase ebo no de beto dwane bi Ghana posi aboda uro se abrante bi a okotwi ka wantwi no kwampaso sisi omo adoa musaka beku nko aban saka sanso ene yebeko akwa akopiem ewo breku eyade a fire service for egbo amane se omo aseni pi na ena asese na omo hia sika ede akwa akoye eho ensem akoye daretwe yede eho ensem bebro ensem bika wenum ho ene yasi konya ayede ba besom sekase ebo ewo HYTV eso penis enkoto se bodom osi apata so ana enye ni twenu na emu obi na apagya na bia na no pay onam kaso ane ne portable Ghana hafa na ba bia be shi oba na nefu awro chichi be sisi na ni bo pusi oh na ne na kero to the left right ko ni nya say methodist wo him na na se obi apia na twu na no pay no aduma ko na apia ye me de kase ne e ba be so na se da kase ye fem koma na York Estate ensas ne do so pa nso betini aba ba jodi na aboa mu atini aye agapade papa ede ama uma ena afi so Adums boutique matade kama nsemi ya wani ajibu every Adums boutique no nyai ene de share na amama ye de pa Adums boutique betini afa pele for 0243 708 485 0243 708 485 enyima ko ya dawo ma na aso yasene ema his excellency Nana Kwame Ogusu Nana Tilo the acting president the train who tell you about 17 about this
ade chemu nsem de nyankopon nanim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu e na ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anumre amache ene de keka nyina no York morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba besomwo bo wode asa obehia eye me Okamafo Clement ene ma bedafo ewo York morning so every Monday up to Friday eye 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsem a esi wo manim nyina emesomwo yebekọ amama nyina so yebekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no yede beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen ho na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa Shiamen na yendwen oman no
yama obibia akwa ba fe na do afidie no atoha ahaye HYTV eso anopa no sombre mu akankase na yagebre ayede eba besomwo na yengbomura ensenimu yebowura ma ne adi kan afriase ewo Ghana posi asuyeye na no ada omoti kwa titi tennis isua na emu hwemu ana omko se video bi driver bi a wotwi ne kan ye obufa ha no obufa no de si ha na dampare fa fo friend branch se mo video bi a ekoso truck driver ni din ene Awa Muhammad wadi mfisia no abiasa ba 31 na ne car no registration number GW402V GW402 car no na da so no na dey owura GP George Kufu doctor dampare enfoni so atubo Ghana Post abo amane say sa abrantie yi eka na otue amfa na kwan so na ebra nkofo ewo kwan no so se anwa na dia to rentem ene akwansia kase pa dia ba enti bra video de ba ye na ni na hi na omo eti omo hungu montin so ko hwe sa JW402 v onko hwe na tira kwan oh no ma pa ko sia no kwan so se abrantie juma na wudi eri omo se me pa me cho mo fa ncha me nkache ene ba na no na ka mi mi sinse sarcasm no tinu se be ka de ja wo ma beti na ko speak pa ti mo fa ncha man shada wan shada dia ni na cha se ye shada so shada bi bo nti ani o ma so the perch de na pa ko pi mo court ye charge the say 06 at 1. Wabusu and Uncle Consulting, the Assisia 7 no Cassade. Ya saw the picture of that about Kukuma, then an aircraft copy. I was asking the Aniake, the Yatuto Nabo, the Tia, and Pinko Band to now BB, Sa 7 and Yamina 7. Yefri hɔ na yɛnkɔpie mu ɛwɔ alɔyafoɔ bi a wɔn aka wɔn ho abɔ mu sɛ ɛkɔpie mu wɔ Kumasi asoɛyɛ na panin a odi wɔn anim ne Samson Ladi lɔya ni ma papa a wagye din ɛwɔ ɔman yi na ɔne na alɔyafoɔ bɛyɛ sɛ edu na wɔn aka wɔn ho abɔ mu kɔpie mu wɔ Kumasi prisons na wɔn nsɛm nyinaa ne sɛ ayade a wɔkɔpie ɛwɔ remand prison na baabi a yeni wasɛm koraa ne yabɔ soboɔ no yɛsusuo allegedly na yɛde wakɔ akɔto no remind ne ɔmo kɔpie mu wɔ hɔ hwɛ nipa abɔ apue so wɔ hɔ paa ɛnya asɛm ketewa eti ɔmo de yɛn nhyehyɛeɛ alɔyɛfo yɛ akɔ mo abɔ mu yɛn nhyehyɛeɛ sɛ wɔn a yɛde ɔmo kɔ remind yɛni ɔmo asɛm ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo adi fo anaasɛ ɔmo adi pɛn enti yɛde ɔmo kɔtwɛn ɛwɔ kuku mu wɔ hɔ no ɔmo yɛn nhyehyɛeɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛtumi ayi ɔmo nyinaa firi hɔ anase yɛbɛtumi adi ɔmo asɛm koraa na yɛgu sɛ ɔmo adi fa ne yɛgye yom ɔmo ni fɔ nso ananka yɛyi ɔmo abi ɛnso wei wobɛkɔ hɔ na ɛte saa yɛama ɔmo abɔ apɛ so obi adi mfie aduonu ɛwɔ remind prisons hɔ ɛda bia nso ɔmo sika yɛde bɔ ɔmo akɔnma no 180 pesos aba ahomete eti no ɛnam so ma alɔyafo yɛ akɔ ho abom ɛyɛ adwumaden yɛ nhyehyɛ sɛ ɔmo betumi ahwɛ ma wɔn a ɛda Kumasi prisons yɛbɛtumi ayi wɔn afiri hɔ no yɛdi ɔmo ase.
Sɛ bɔne bi mpo na de wo baa ha na ɛnkyerɛ sɛ wonyɛ nipa yɛmmra pɔn constitution no sɛ ɛni kwan sɛ yɛde wo fa ɛkwan bi so a it says you shouldn't go through degrading and inhuman treatment enti metwa so wɔ ha tietia na mahyɛ mo bɔ sɛ kakra bi a yɛso yɛbɛtumi no yɛbɛboa ne ahwɛ sɛ ɛnkɔdu abra a wobɛfiri ha no na sɛbe umfiri ha na nsan kɔyɛ asodie ɛma obiara sɛbe w'ani bɛgye sɛ wopie a woso wo bibia a wobɛtumi ayɛ na woso ho aba mfaso ama wo ho ɛne wo busua
ani a ɔkasa yɛn ɛyɛ owura Samson Ladi ɔyɛ lɔya ni papa nti ɔmo ayɛ nhyehyɛeɛ ne na lɔyafoɔ bi na ɔmo aka ɔmo abom akɔyɛ saa nhyehyɛeɛ a ɔmo hwɛ na wɔn a yɛakye ɔmo agu na deɛ afie a yɛngyeli wɔn na yɛde ɔmo akɔ remand no ɛbɛhwɛ na yɛayɛ ntotoeɛ na biribi yɛtumi akɔnka nsi ebedi ɔmo asɛm na ɔmo ahunu ɔmo babara ne ɔmo gyina bea na yɛdi ɛde ama wɔn yɛfiri ɔne yɛnkɔpiem ɛwɔ Berekum na Ghana National Fire Service odumgya adwumakuo no ɛna ɛbɔ amaneɛ na ɔfrɛ wɔ su kampaa sɛ wɔn asɛn a ɔmo didi dwuma didi ntiantwie sɛ bi agya atɔ baabi na ɔmo didi mirika ntɛntɛm so ntɛm hyɛse na ɔmo de akɔ akɔdum no no ahyɛn no bɛkɔ na ɛhyɛn ne ti yɛ nea ɛhyɛn bi wɔ hɔ nso abɛkɔ na ne tae nyinaa dwodwo alata ɔbɔ ne mɔtɔ no nwe ɔnkɔ ɛsɛ ɛhyɛn ne bi bu afu paa service nkɔso dwumadie bi nkɔso ɛwɔ hyɛn no mu ɛna ɛhyɛn ne nyinaa sɛsɛ na esisi hɔ na ɔmo ahwɛ ɔmo anim ɛhyɛn na ɔduru hɔ a ɔbɛkasa a yɛn ti sɛ kokonte yɛ hata nti ɔmo srɛ aban ɛne ankorankora bi a ɛka bi wɔ mu ɛne wɔn a nyame ato wɔn nsɛm sɛ ɔmo bɛkɔ wɔn mmoa panyin ɔne nsɛntwerɛfoɔ ɛkasa yɛ panyin kwankyerɛfoɔ de ma Ghana National Service Ghana National Fire Service adwuma ekuo no ɛwɔ Berekum ne bɔtɛ mu hɔ no ɛyɛ John Ɔpɔn Kwesi ɔno ɛne ne nsɛntwerɛfoɔ kasa sɛ ɔde hyɛ bɛyɛ wɔn mmoa sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ ahyɛn ahodoɔ ɔmo didi dwuma no ɔmo bɛtumi asiesie
no kase deɛ yɛafidie no a migyina animie anumu di nkitaho yi atokyima ɛyɛ a yɛgu so etu anammɔn sɛ ɛbɛkora no nti sɛ samere egya to baabi a yɛtu anammɔn kɔ yɛn kasa afidie no ɛni hɔ nti yɛn kɔkɔ yɛtu anammɔn kɔ yɛkɔ na yɛ assess situation no na yɛbɛtumi ɛde ordinary means ɛne yɛ skills no asi ano kwan a yɛyɛ na ɛhwɛ na sɛ ano ɛyɛ den a na yɛafrɛ the nearest fire station a ɛbɛn yɛ nti samere meka sɛ yɛ nearest fire station ɛyɛ Jape Kurom ɛne Sunyane
enti sɛ ankorankora bi amba mem ama ye muade a ene e be kakra no na nse ugbo se fire service wo di mirika omode omonan obia ni pa obefuka na ya senso agu bucket neso no mu di mirika adaya eja atodansoma enti omo ko akọ ya re obose enti adehye mra no me yo mo ase ne be yo mo hye no betu di edi etratwi na enu achi no ana owura John Oponkwasi asan edeto aso se akuafo sabre ya ye wo mu opepon bosu mu aya na ope ene esi sanse opepon ope ni mu aye tene pa enti akuafo mo ohumu omede sabre nso ana akuafo edudo mfu eshishifu na kma se ojefo bosu no mbedua omede enso ni gua we ya ope sise wo kwa kodo wafu akwakwahye opam kwa ene kama esrawo hwe na bo homodin se anya dia wo bekwa akwasi emfuo awo bra wo mpam ano ene wona wo oto muhasi ho se wo mbedum gya no bua won se ne be ya eja hye enkoba ne pi ewo opepo busu
ye wo fire volunteers ewo almost all the communities yamo mo entete ekwan a omo befa so adi sa adwuma no ama akuafo se be ya mo so mo betimi aklem asase ye besre mo se opeso o clear asase a obekwa ko hu sa fire volunteers yi na omo aba be di dwuma na maw because omo anya sa nimdie no
enti sa opese wo do wasase opese wo hye emfuo no ni ade a aya akona ko hu wona esi fui ane pa sabe so na be obeti nyabo na bibi etibi akonkan ede ama na no eti no na yabopi atorenche mu aboafo aduma ekono de yetwa muti afro mu nadu enso ene pani kwankyerefo a oda ano ewo brekum epatam ho eye kwadwo agikum enso ekasa na oche se ni de sika ho aye den papa enti onia se why wadwe se wo koye emeja ato wo de eja ato usuto eja ato wafu mu eja kwa akoto ba bi adie na gwa hwe se aban ene nadu adu ekono emra mekọ omuade a ene tumuda kuna se sika enwa aye den pa omukro omukọ Christmas no omo enye skasa ankwa nkọhwe omba ene omuade hye enti se wo ni da so se ukoye bibi a de eja hye beba na aban ebeba be ko mu ade a ne bibi se esi a aban enfi
Turenchemba nadmu 77 pedu as aban oniska kase bia da wo se wo twa se wo japade hye se wo si fie mu abotum si fie na ma anane machine botum nyina nyina ma kakra nadmu be so ase no no na ebenya ti atanzo ko se jashi ni yekodu bia na mafo buofu na nadmu be ye ma hwe ni nyina se be hwe hu yi so wo hwe hu no ma yi a there's no need say obi bia be hye so wonim se wo pia bonten na wo gadget se wo nyina wadum wo putu off wi a mi hu ko na be fa so je betima be to fie ma na hye na wo dem mu
pie na wadum se wo pie na wadum o gadget se wo fie nyina mi hu kwan a eja be fa so be ba be to fie ho peni oni e kasa ye eye owura kwadwo agiku ono ene ye atura nchemu aboafo peni ewo brekum nadmo ebo ensem eno na yemfiri ho na yenkonko pie mu ewo adesia ewo ye na osi ochese infrastructure eho akwaye de papa ede amawo omo sre aban ahemfui na ede tu ga kire se omo sre aban se omra ebekọ wo moa kopiem ewo nasana ewo tan Bruno region Bruman tabimu a ahemfu ewo ho esre se chip compound ayaresa bia nkete a yesi ede ama adehia ombekọ akọ sa omhu yade ewo so bi hu dodo na ombekọ akọ sa omhu yade na mu akọ ye de papa kakra bi esi di ama omu de atuna samuram sisi akamuram ena eburo efu nkotre ena edimu atrentwi na kwadwo owusu a dotto otosu biru ena ne sentrofo kasa se yam onam yeso na yɛmfa nto aban anim na ɔnkyerɛ yɛnkyerɛ mu nkyerɛ aban ama aban no nti aseɛ sɛ kye kɔmpan ahodoɔ a yɛsi ɛde ma wɔn no sɛsɛ yɛato na gyegye mu yɛabɔ so yɛamprasta yɛsisi dan no si waa campaign time bi twɛ ma no yɛda yɛni ɛde firi mu te sɛ sɛ ɔmo serɛ sɛ aban mmra na ɔmbɛkɔ wɔ
I am say 90% of the populate no farmers. And in cashew and yedidi ho a penun swesi. Se wunimu na udi jakwa foam na ekotu obi cashew ma wa hanipa no wa nkasa e ka besa beda so amana haw. Ye besre mabunu no. Chino ye siria no kwan. Fire service for amayate ano nka say yen jai me emfa eja enko foam biem. Na mom yenidi fie na yenko foam nko ye nnwuma. Esa se cashew no enche na aba na udi jakotu obi afuom a na wa hanipa kro no.
Abusia ya besra sɛ video ne yɛde yɛ adwuma nti sɛ amfa ne saa na wode akye afei nana asan toa so afei ansa ne ɛba asɛm yi ɔka yi na nkasa so ɔtoa so ɛde afutuo ɛde maama bunu ɛkyerɛ sɛ obiara nhwɛ ne ho yie na wɔ hamatan season yɛwɔ mu ɔpɛbrɛ mu ne yɛwɔ yi nti obiara nhwɛ ne ho yie mu a mokɔ afuo mu mu a moyɛ kyerɛkyerɛ no bi anhwɛ toto nneɛma yɛ sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɛgya hyehyɛ nkɔpie mu wɔ baabi a sɛdeɛ na mmofoɔ de kan bɔ amaneɛ deda sesesɛ sika ni hɔ a ɔmo bɛtumi de akɔ obiara mmoa asɛ ɛgya hyehyɛ bi ba nti obiara mmɔ ne ho so deɛ afutuo yi de mabunu a ɛyɛ a ɛda akɔkyerɛkyerɛ ɛwɔ ne mpɔtam
ɔhaw a nasana yɛnam mu no ɛyɛ yayaresabea a yɛahyɛ aseɛ a yɛsi na ayaresabea yi aka ewura mu kakra yenim sɛ aban de ne nsa abesi so sɛ ɔbɛboa yɛn na yɛn nsa aka yaresabea yɛsan sɛ babia yɛ chip compound no wɔsisia no ɛyɛ yɛhemfie a na yɛde yɛ ahemfie nananom ɛkɔ dwundwun kure ho ɛno mmom na ɛba sɛ yɛhia ayaresabea okurom ha no yɛdane ɛma aban ɛma sɛ aban de ne mfidie akugu hɔ a ɛhɔ yɛ chip compound ɛyɛ adwuma wahyɛ aseɛ asi clinic yi bi ama yɛn nanso aduru bɛyɛ 90% aka nwuram yɛbɛsrɛ aban sɛ ɔbɛba na wɔbɛkɔ yɛ mmoa
onimonyamfoɔ Sulemana Adama nso ɛyɛ MP ɛwɔ time mantam no mu no ɔno nso ɛde to aso kyerɛ sɛ nsa bi a nananom nka nyina ɔmo ate na ɔmo ne assembly no ɛdi nhyiamu sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a ɔmo bɛtumi atototo nneɛma na ɔmo ayaresabea nketenkete a yɛsisi di ama ɔmo na ɔmo bɛtumi ahwɛ na ɔmo awie no prapra
ɛne assembly no di kan di ho nkɔmmɔ project no dɔɔso sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a enka assembly no be use common fund no a capture all those projects na yetimi ato aso efise enam se yagya project na to enfie be yese 90 cost anka ye project no ye ba ho a e wo say start fresh biom se ne be ya anka ye be freeze resources na me anka as a member of parliament amaba no me so matimi start other projects without financial without way say me ba be sit down
nkai ɛyɛ mmarahyɛbadwani ɛde ma adehye a ɛwɔ time mansi ne mu onimonyamfoɔ Sulemana Adama ne ɛna yɛkɔte fa saa nsɛm yi ɛho abusuane yɛbɛgyina saa nsɛm yi so ɛno a sɛ wokae sɛ na ɔnan mu hɔ no Ghana the Black Stars ɛne wei ɛde kɔbɔ ani Algeria ɛde kɔbɔ ani ɛkɔwi akyiri no na Ghana ɛda fam ɛka baako mmienu miensa ɛnan de na de miensa ɛyɛ ade odi bi ka na Ghana ɔda fam ɛka mako miensa ɔmo antimi ansi mu adabraka yɛsɔre so pɛ sɛ mehyia the triple action ahyɛ ne yɛ miensa nti ɔmo nso na ɛma yɛhyɛ miensa ɛna against foɔ nso ɛwɔ fie ha ɛnso dɔɔso ɔmo nso ka ho na Ghana yɛ n'adwene sɛ akon yi a yɛagu yi ɛnyɛ dɛ yɛ a on the 9th January yɛ started yɛbɛwi squad wei ya nso ne yɛde bɛwi ne yɛde bɛbɛ fi kaapo no yɛbɛgye ahyɛ Nana Danko Akufo-Addo animuonyam ɛne yɛn sports minister squad no nso deɛ yɛ nsesɛm wei ya ne yɛde kɔ na yi obiara firi nti mo anim sɛ yɛkɔ a yɛn first match yɛbɛhyɛ aboro so a na ebi 50 ɛna ne yɛde bɛbɛ fi yɛde kaapo no nso bɛbɛ fi kamakama na yɛbɛgyina saa nsɛm wei so na yɛde anɔpa na nso aka nkɛse a yɛboa no de bɛsom wɔ no aba no awieyɛ adwumakuo na ɛsɔ yɛ ase York State nsase no dɔɔso wobɛtumi aba abɛdwo deɛ adom boutique ntadeɛ no abu so sɛ yɛatam buroni a yɛane akɔfa de aba nsɛm no deɛ ɛtwa odwa no bi Ghana Post abɔ amanneɛ sɛ aberanteɛ yi a ɔkɔtwii kaa na ɛnenam social media ɛbɔ ɔmo dawuro no sesei ɔmo nsa aka no ɔmo adoa no a wɔde no ɛkɔ akɔpie mu wɔ asɛnnibie saa nso ɛna nadmofoɔ nso de ato adehyɛ wɔ berekum anim sɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɔmo de sika ɛda hɔ a ɔmo bɛtumi de akɔ obi mu asɛ kɔba no sɛ gya ahyehyɛ bi ɛba nto amanfoɔ mmɔ ɔmo bo so na ɔmo hwɛ ɔmo no so sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a gya ahyehyɛ bi a ɛnkɔfiri bobia awra nsɛm bi ka wɔ no ho ne yɛbɔ ano si nkonnwa de bɛsom sɛ anɔpa na ɔso aka nkɛseɛ ɛwɔ HYTV ɛso York Morning ɛna egu so ɛtoa so na yɛfiri ha sɛdeɛ American bɔ ama no yɛfiri ha pɛ na sɛ bɛhyia the triple action ɛde sports no ɛba abɛtoa so na afei owie a ɔkamafo Clement ɛnso ɛde York Morning no atoa so ne yɛbɛsi nkonnwa ne atwetwe nkɔmmɔ ɛwɔ saa nsɛm bi mu a ebi kan na edidi no ɔkenkanfoɔ no bɛyi ɛyɛ make this excellence Nana Kwame Owusu Nana Tino the team president. Thanks so much for your time with us and do have a great morning. Be out of here.
Adekyee mu nsɛm de Nyankopɔn n'anim na mu nsɛm ne nade yɔ de minu mienu ɛna ya yɛdi hu dwuma paa enti no nsɛm a esi anadwo esi anwumrɛ ahomakye ɛne de ɛkeka ho nyinaa no York Morning yaboa no sɛ kaseɛbɔ ebi so ɛyɛ paper review a yɛde ba bɛsom wo bɔmmɔde asa wobɛhyia ɛyɛ me ɔkamafo Clement ɛne mabɛdwafoɔ ɛwɔ York Morning so every Monday up to Friday ɛyɛ 6 a.m. na afei yɛmfa nsɛm a ɛsi wɔ manim nyinaa ɛmɛsom wo yɛbɛkɔ amama nyinaa so yɛbɛkɔ apueɛ ne atɔyɛ baabi biara a asɛm no hyɛ no yɛde bɛba na afei menu mienu yɛadwendwen ho na wahu ɔman no ne kankɔ ɛne ne bɔbrɛ baabi a asi afa hyia me na yɛndwen ɔman no
I have no feelings at all.
Is there anything more challenging in life than relationships? Maintaining long-lasting relationship is a challenge you must all relate to. And this is why you should join me, Nanaya Apia Jr., right here in the studios of HYTV, GH, and York FM as we deliberate more on relationship issues. This is where broken relationships are sealed or repaired. On this show, we are going to talk about dating, courtship, who cheat most in relationship, and probably some of the things you must consider before entering any relationship.
That's also only the baby so I am a baby.
Into a point, like no matter inside, there's no one.
But only the only time baby one they are really supportive.
But if I'm
rated
50%,
mostly one said, we have a man say Oma or bad attention. Kana like on himself when you want to say or you focus on.
Who catch you and I want catch you? A simple question.
I didn't say.
They be me bow.
Okay, man, can't you?
I don't think I know.
But I
think I also catch you. That's our point.
Yes, our point. At the point in the inferium. The inferium is a minute no go tell her. You can't be what you say. Wouldn't say did you know Tiasi? I didn't know can't tell me so. I mean, Tiasi, I don't want to leave you.
Don't miss out right here in the studios of HYTV and York FM as we deliberate more on these issues. Stay tuned. Don't miss it.
Me who say I have no feelings at all.
Is there anything more challenging in life than relationships? Maintaining long-lasting relationship is a challenge you must all relate to. And this is why you should join me, Nanaya Apia Jr., right here in the studios of HYTV, GH, and York FM as we deliberate more on relationship issues. This is where broken relationships are sealed or repaired. On this show, we are going to talk about dating, courtship, who cheats most in relationship, and probably some of the things you must consider before entering any relationship.
Na that also only the baby so I am a baby.
Into point, listen. They like no matter inside, there's no more money.
But only time baby one, they are really supportive.
But if I'm rated 50%,
what we want that we have them and say Oma or bad attention. Kana like on himself when you want to stay calm. Or you focus on
who catch you and I want catch you? A simple question.
I didn't say.
They be me bow.
Okay, man, can't you?
I don't think I know.
But yes, also catch you. That's our point. Yes, our point. At the point in the inferium. The inferium is a minute ago with her. You can't be what you say. Wouldn't say did you want to say? I didn't know can't tell me so. I mean,
don't miss out right here in the studios of HYTV and York FM as we deliberate more on these issues. Stay tuned. Don't miss it.
Adi chemu nsem de Nyankopon enim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu e na ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi enumre ahomache ene de keka nyina no York morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba be sonwo bo wode asa obe hye eye me okamafo Clement ene ma bedafo e wo York morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsema asi wo manim nyina emesom wo ye bekọ amama nyina so ye bekọ epuye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no ye de beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen wo na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no adi chemu nsem de Nyankopon enim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu ena ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi enumre ahomache ene de keka nyina no York morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba be sonwo bo wode asa obe hye eye me okamafo Clement ene ma bedafo e wo York morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsem a asi wo manim nyina emesom wo ye bekọ amama nyina so ye bekọ epuye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no ye de beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen wo na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no adi chemu nsem de Nyankopon enim ne mu nsem ne na de yo de minu mienu ena ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi enumre ahomache ene de keka nyina no York morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba be sonwo bo wode asa obe hye eye me okamafo Clement ene ma bedafo e wo York morning so every Monday up to Friday 6 a.m. na fe yemfa nsem a asi wo manim nyina emesom wo ye bekọ amama nyina so ye bekọ epuye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no ye de beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen wo na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no
Your body, I Obiatu me sunyami kwa wai. sabotachano. Oyo nyame miso kombe yo. Misi sabotachano. Oyo nyame miso kombe yo. Oye alpha omega nyame kupono shio. Oye alpha omega nyame kupono shio. Ombe tamono, ombe ya dinyi neye. Enkoda. Ombe tamono, ombe ya dinyi neye. Ema wanswa dansi die ni bio. Ombe tamono, ombe ya dinyi neye. Odesi die beshe wano ai. Ombe tamono, ombe ya dinyi neye.
Adichie mu nsɛm de Nyankopɔn n'anim ne mu nsɛm ne nade yɔ de minu mienu ɛna ya yedi huduma paa enti no nsɛm a esi anadwo esi anwumrɛ ahomache ɛne de keka ho nyinaa no York morning yaboa no sɛ kasebɔ ebi so ɛyɛ paper review a yɛde ba bɛsom wo bɔmɔde asa obɛhyia ɛyɛ me Okamafo Clement ɛne mabɛdwafoɔ ɛwɔ York morning so every Monday up to Friday ɛyɛ 6 a.m. na afei yɛmfa nsɛm a ɛsi wɔ manim nyinaa ɛmɛsom wo yɛbɛkɔ amama nyinaa so yɛbɛkɔ apueɛ ne atɔyɛ baabi biara a asɛm no hyɛ no yɛde bɛba na afei menu mienu yɛadwendwen ho na wahu ɔman no ne kankɔ ɛne ne bɔbrɛ baabi a asi afa hyia me na yɛndwen ɔman no.
Alright, your mama Kwaba for Abuja tidbits around the world. And I'm so for some the triple action media brown answer no media Chabu our live Facebook and YouTube. We call YouTuber HYTV Ghana. Facebook will say HYTV Ghana. Well, I keep paying number subscribe to YouTube channel and so am I. I will be a share come. Now we do this so up to a kind amount. We tell a friend to tell another friend. Say HYTV Ghana, York FM so up on the live and chance now you call Manchester United. I swear, you call Manchester United. I swear, a branch here back pen and never can accept any arrow pay. Jesse Lingard, and in an answer branch and so free Manchester United. And you answer and Chebiana Man you for a branch and echo West Ham as known. Now branch and echo West Ham, anybody but echo a pan, anybody but a swing, none of them are receiving any jet as you said, and Chebia. The national team, England national team, on Beton San Alfredo. Now, Branton and the body will echo your West Ham, but about Manchester, echo your crowd, first 11 crowd, starting po, I on come what the bench side, last minute number no other year, Kunyaba, a Branton in the end to Manchester United because of percent England for a friend of our national team. It is a Ocean Noma, Send a Noma Elcona and Buano to a captain also and share with free Manchester United this coming season. Na yan to us na Andrew Kabura Cup ba ko kasiya pa eto bia semi-finals na Chelsea the Blues team papa Chelsea and Tottenham Hotspur they see a kind na Kenchen ko na wi na Chelsea for edi nkudi mienu e wa Tottenham Hotspur for so na say na match etie
Japhet Tanganga, and that's short for Emerson, and it's been pinched by Alonso, and he's looking to feed Havertz, and Havertz is in, and Chelsea are in front, just like that. Kai Havertz will claim it, whether he got the final touch is up for debate. Oh, lovely lead from Ziyech, here's Azpilicueta, looking back post for Havertz. Oh, and the clearance is going to come back for Havertz. He tried to beat Lloris at his near post. Clever effort. And Lloris was equal to it.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good effort. It's on target.
Oh, it's going to be an own goal. How's your luck, Tottenham? Brilliant delivery from Ziyech. Kane through the wall, good save, Kepa. Got good distance on it too to stop anybody following in.
That's an excellent save. Okay, he might have seen it all the way, but he's got to react.
The ball into Lukaku as well. He's moved it on one more for Ziyech. On target, but an easy save.
Yeah, brilliant play, isn't it? Great ball in from Timo Werner.
Alonso down the line for Werner now as he held his run. Space opening up for the shot. Oh, didn't miss by much, you know.
Of course, Kawura Cup semi-finals. Chelsea the Blues and it Tottenham. This is Chelsea for qualify to the finals. Now and then there was a game can see about Etodia. Liverpool never work alone. Any Arsenal, but because of COVID-19 and Liverpool players now tested positive meeting matching on to Asher Kakra. Now yan to us now Endra a good year Musamono. Endra matching a corner here. Tottenham ni Chelsea. Endra matching a corner here no. And some people to down. Now King Luka Endra OTV Asia kind Emma Chelsea. Now Tottenham fans and supporters no. Can't say me say King Luka he's Interman, and I can look and say Munyoko. Let's wait for the future before I predict. Now I can't say me call the way no. And a branch here. Police have a picture to Sumami. Eba goalkeeper you. Now small boy bio. You baby free. And one say waba Kepa Areza Black honum. Oba no see Kepa Endra who ye service pan boy service who ye bebre. Now me person no gloves no emma me. Na Kepa so gloves ni dey boy dey mama sa. Inti J and only picture that on a branch of small boy be Chelsea boy. The friend Chelsea boy. But on obeji Kepa ni gloves no come. Kepa and so one year so dey Jack gloves ni my branch here no. Catch a branch and so on the on fat your branch no. The near Japan, the near. Now, young to us, young you send a Marco, Saturday, Afcom, Bas out Cameroon, now preparation Ecoso, now Tim Baby, Abaco Pimo Cameroon, and Nigeria force Eco Pierre Cameroon. Nigeria for the one getting from Nigeria Eco Pierre Cameroon. I said I'm not dressing it, yes, only a custom officer, so and Nigeria for beer cranny bad. Aha, immigration, police say immigration. Come. And then in summer, every Nigeria for us, we have touch down on the land of Cameroon. Now we have Sunday, Ampaya Edra. Up on now, Andrew, the black stars of Ghana, Nigeria for us, it was just a friendly matter. Now, funny, Nobia had a son in money, Nobia a son wagon, and we said the players will be a worthy fit for the outcome. Now, Andrew, I can't say Banner here, saying on it here. So Andra our friendly match Black Stars any Nigeria for a boy. Now can't see any corner and some bebre nana epiamu. Ghana for bebre ja like papa. Bebre ja miam di prawe ja. Now for bebre eka say if you win a Black Stars for Ediko Afcon that will Cameroon afi. And yeah I was said for free yetimia day and suspend your mo. Yemo mo bra fie. Yam forget your mo kra. E ma yemo mo enko Afcon na weska no mba ko dim keke. Now, if you ask him, what I will call you and way in America, and Brena, I bought a branch here and a papaya friend as somewhere janding. The Brena as somewhere down, and I will pronounce to social media. Who got Twitter, Facebook, and DSN. The Brena say, young return on my 3 days ago. na asamwaja adịghị na ya retire ya nhwe
Africa
baby etia almost ya retire asamwaja se jam embo blasters we be ya retire so se jam boy the boy wait na to be na ekwe comment section or Facebook any YouTube na yanking kind na yehu because almost as I'm going so big that our blasters because I'm branch no ball the tinu crowd here as I'm after the last minute on your chance now on fanche and only some and I waiting at the brina ekas as I'm no yeah return number 3 just say watch a video and share a video to say now and answer I'm sorry so na me tell say you make York FM, you're funny live on HYTV, so you travel live over Facebook. Who call Facebook HYTV Ghana, YouTube, so HYTV Ghana. Who call not like you pay not subscribe to YouTube channel, so mommy. Now the comment section, now to we pian share sharing the hear me pan. Piana of France and Sanso and Can. Answer my sorry, so video of the day. With the video of the day.
Mara gafa Azizi anaingia makofi mgongoni, makocha anapiga makofi. Mara gafa Azizi kabadilisha jezi. Bwana basi vipi?
Kipa nibo. Coach
Azizi gadi defenders no be anymore. And now when the ball is 94 minutes. Hey, I'm saying I coach the coach Natali. Coach.
And these are the players. They join this. Come on, let's go. Coach now face well. All right, let's take for any video of the day. Do many am liba on New York Estate in the summer say any Adams boutique and the summer say am dey bro need super review ever macron. No play.
Ade chemu nsem de Nyankopon nanim ne mu nsem ne nade yode minumie no na ya yedi huduma pa enti no nsem a esi anajo esi anwumre amache ene de keka nyina no York morning ya boa no se kasebo ebi so eye paper review ai de ba be somwo bo wode asa obehia eye me okamafo Clement ene mabedafo ewo York morning so every Monday up to Friday. 6 a.m. Na fe yemfa insema esi wo mani mu nyina emesom wo. Ye bekọ amama nyina so, ye bekọ epoye ne atoye ba bibiara asem no hye no ye de beba na afe minu mienu ya dwendwen wo na wahu oman no ne kanko ene ne bobre ba bia asi afa shiamen na yendwen oman no.
somewhere. Now so more and also. Tell it to you woman and also. I need to turn on to Morocco. I found them where yesterday. And from near and near, Picasso is your turn. I got a crew and I am give joy. Only a tea, and I guess I never put this. I want to remember you. My guys is a baby. Oh, we are not in the deal. Sadly, I am a deacon. I am my own soul. Never this time. You will never walk. Yes, Mawachi, a bar, a York FM. I'll face you HYTV. So, York morning, Jumediano, and I do side of a song. I am a son of a but I am a coupon as a pepper, so the Abbey say, Emery Esodia. I shall say, oh, my name is Sam, and I do so I have a pen and move. I have penny Puma Sibre. Sam not a dose of pan. Come on, yes, you have a tree of Boise, a Yimu. Many common, so you bet you chibi. Come on, a dose of pan. You have said so being a bread. I will say, maybe I will be on the Facebook. HYTV gun. Everybody has something like in our share. So after I say, Miami D. Jumedi Muchame, come for Clemens. Making kind will comment Nina Eddie Abroad. I should be on a body answer with the back. Caught my face on some to your woman, and some of it. Or to turn at home. It's on a pain of minute. DSP Kofi support. And Unbreakable Joyce Blessing. I drink back home. I drink Echo Ben Crum say. Young coupon Asia been I'm quite sure they break. You know you taking on by force. Young coupon at the Maya. One young is something. I am your man, but you were a dentist. Young coupon and my son. And I bet dead. And no, the work can be an over to me. I hear. No, you need a son is a it's in your job, in the time also, and it's in the it's in the job, in the time also, giant. Assembly every Bible no. Now for the extra echo. Traffic is your turn. Traffic is your turn. Hey, you ready? Take it by force, by faith. Put some go on forward. At 1 by 4. Option of the ring. No, she ran up with Sylvia. Our about this time, you will never walk alone. Round and then my didn't. Now, so for to see Coco. All right, I will share for what give me for. Yeah, kind John 1:1. Bible said, Jimmy count for me. If it's a assembly or home, or not, assembly on Yakupon a war. When you're assembly on Yakupon, Bible so one continue and you be or yeah, and nay, assassin so, and I'm just assassin so, as some Christ said, what do you mean for me? I said, BBR will be no, asem ebe kan ho wo de abobra wo dim se bia si mu se nyame asem enka wade yo ho aya na wana muntuo no entimi enkoyi biti anapai no wo de asaw de nyame asem ebe kan odwumedie mu na ama bibie biara akotote odoni wo yo ko papa no na wo de nyame asem eka ho na wo ye Yesu Kristo wo yonko ti anopempo wo se wo fa Nyankopon se wurade ne waje okraje nkwa eye Yesu a wo de aso betimi afa Yesu na bibia so akoyie meche bia na medi samri esi na ya hwenyema bi kakra ewo social media no so eye news portals no esembebre esi wo hono mai wo se ne wo yedi hu komo biebu ewo graphic online dia na chance insembi etwa egu wo hono mo say Ghana police the Ghana police service has over the years been troubled with issues of sinking image and corruption. Jenny from police professionalism at its best. IGP target a year police for the new IGP is working. He is bringing the a very good image to the police service, Ghana police service. Now there is a story on Graphic Online that says that the Ghana Library Authority has declared 2022 as the year of books to raise awareness of the need to invest in increasing books stock on the shelves of public libraries in the country. These are some of the
it seems that you cannot
stories on Graphic Online.
Call on Jesus now. He's so faithful and so true. All who seem dejected and lost, rest your faith.
We have many on our news portal.
No matter how dear, Jesus will bear the cost. Your loss for his gain, your comfort for his pain. Hang on, be strong. Hold on, it won't be long.
Now there's a news on the Graphic Online that says that the local government minister, Mr. Dan Boche, has urged Ghanaians to sacrifice to support the e-levy to achieve the desired national development and job creation opportunities. Social media, and I will recommend
Kafa yesu wo mini na funtu bo sane bata twinti no wantwe ya na wo bi ekoka ukeka ta yesu wo yoku no ka wo wudi ya odi wo be
now piemu ewo hono aso a sika wo we bi so a esan twegu ni se the resident minister of Ebenezer Methodist congregation in Bremen, the Ashanti region, very Reverend Benjamin Kwesi Anson has commended the Vice President Dr. Mahamadou Bawumia for his understanding of religious diversity and tolerance. It was a Ghana handsome say because of our homogeneous state, even our vice president was able to go to Pentecost or Visitation as is here no ordinary akwokyere eye Methodist match say oti osum no ase as much as say Muslim no otimi kokoko churches ahodo anyone could think come on. I think he's on a very good run and then he will get somewhere. We should ask this question. Is it because of the elections ahead? That is the 2024 elections. ɔkɔ ɛyɛ sorry ahodoɔ no anaa sansa week wei mu no anaasɛ feel last week ɛde kɔ no ɔkɔpie mu ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Pentecost ɛna sisi ano wasia kɔpie mu ɛwɔ Methodist. Is it because of his political agenda or he has a national unity idea or something of that sort? Now there are issues about the Speaker of Parliament. The Speaker of Parliament, Mr. Alban Sumana Gbagben, has said that although he is human and can make mistakes, that does not mean that he is basis. Alright, I will say sorry for that. It does not mean that he is biased. That's the right word. No, he's saying that I am not biased, says Alban Gbagben, the Speaker of Parliament. Now people are throwing things against him. Me country, me pacho, can't be brave. And they are papa, say papa, I saw just see Kofoka Kase or Kama Wenumu. Okanyane say onye bias o oyimu da na hono wono say NDC for supporting the pan demo no onjina ma NDC ma MPP onjina ma oman no nti no sane ye to aba ye mrase bedwafo eto aba eyi na adwuma no be ye ne pepepe the Asante Hine Otumfo Osei Tutu the second has called for a shift in Ghana's educational system from consumers of other people's creation to a system that stimulates creativity and innovation. So say Asante Hine Osei Tutu out of mienu ono no wako suku akọ echire afeni nimdie no untimi enka untimi ka nimdie for anase wona wako suku akọ echire nimdie na wunyini emfiri sanse na no kasa ne brofo kra no ya adimua atimi atena se ehunu se because sisi ano yesesa ya disua yesua na abe yedi ekọ bia ya na se yebetimi aye ye niam na ye say ye nam nkofo adesua se wo sua na ye ebi obi koye buka na fe de yen akoyusu buku yen ye obibi emma obi enyusu da de nkofo asua de atimi enya afiri mu eno na yen yetimi ede ye dwuma asua mbomodi ase ya adesua na ebetimi asesem na afe de amma omanfo so enya ya adesua no ehu efaso we yensema ebobo efi Otumfo say to the second Nakachi Eba. Ghana has been ranked the second most peaceful country in the sub-Saharan African region, behind only Mauritius in 2021 or on the 2021 Global Peace Index. Gabi and siblings construct sports complex in memory of their late mother. Gabi and siblings. Stories talk more on that. Now there's a story over here that says that the entire Tamale metropolis has been thrown into a state of shock after a middle-aged teacher at the Maria Senior High School in the metropolis allegedly committed suicide by hanging himself in his room last Monday. Well, in some way, afei so akreti fear and panic Tamalia just teacher ni bi atimi assign ho teacher ni no young man cry sakra on said enyi and watimi ato ne kon awu se bibisa esidi ana chese wonim se osurupan aba omafo wo mu enya asam keto crowd come on now pressure is mounting on the Ablekuma North Municipal Assembly to pull down its new constructed office on a reserve known at Dansuman Sharp Care. Now, baby, almost see a year. Ablekuma Municipal Assembly, no. Which was say office, no. Baby, it's you and your crowd. Some say a Sharp Care be just a bank. Yankupon Uncle, yeah, Abdon. That's just a unim. Cassian, and then I'm quite sure. Remo Assembly Sipan. Tizian will say, won't boo a year. Office, yeah, and as woman in Sea. The cast, no, I will direct you. Before Friday, if you are so pressure on assembly to demolish office complex. Give joy. I just want to remind you, sir. Antioch State and I was so yasne did you media in April. Antioch State semin can say a balance as a party on a catchy and a bibutu. 80 Bomodia say will wait me abai here Antioch State. Wait me one aqua a year. Caswan in Potem would when you say a year, but you say I face Winnie Bania Diano. Wait me aqua when I catch it. And I feel one could dink come on. Now I feel one who said, it's a sino nibble for pound from 0243708485 0243708485. Anyone enter to come on. I don't boutique so as my snake. Reach me after 0243708485 91 to come on. And name will be just for many one bed in come on. I find some be home. Dance some DHL. We send and say now video be air coso ewo and I say chebu ewo. Be fontain time so social media hono. Ana abrante bi ekita ka kese pa chese odi edi atrenpie. Na chese odi fa ha no de afa. Na sisia no nsema ebubo fi Ghana police akache eba ne se. Sisia no watimi ache abrante no. Abrante yi edi 31 years. Na dia wodi betu dwa Awa Mohammed. Entino eno se yebehwe ne nsam no mu na ye fe yetumi adi eho enkomo Ghana National Fire Service awo brekum so wodi nsem bi adi abetu da opie mu ho no ma wo se ka wodi adwuma no se bia ejato ba bia ya fre won se won bra na won bedum ja no a chese wodi be ye wa saadi akoho no saka no asai ni chese wonya case BC oja hihye BC a wo fa ka ebi a taxi bi a na bibisa no wa chese wa ye de watena mu san e de akọ na wakọ hwe se wetimi adum na wotimi ndum ansa na wa frɛ e fire service station ben won na wa be ye de wa be boa wo sajumedie ye ekoso ba ne se ni ebedu sam pempenso yi betimi ahwe ne anase betimi atena se aye hwe han ma yedu sam pempenso yi ana what will be the effect of this act and as this state I was here me so akopie mu ewo ye oti region na ukopie mu enkwanta constituency ni mu dia na chese ye frɛ baby bonache point Paul wo ene ne manfo atena ho ehunu se sisi ano ye kase eja bibia ama aban timi nye ni nyina nti wakeka won sase ede yesi kapuduo bi ahye adwumadie bi mu a chese wo bie clinic wo ho no na fe de watimi aye ne hospital be kwa fensem a ebubo fi wa ba na fe edi hu komo and then ache president na Natino me guest e wa ha no so na chimude e wa ha na ma nde obetimi aka na adwe pa e de akere o mangana na fe wa ma ye hu nsema ye ba be keka ho asem no wo mpoma sibre bia me di dwuma de hu chame e frame o kama vo Clement ya fe de ye sensem na se de na me ma timude na timude akwaba chema na de na ekoso bibia wo ko de ase menti won kan kra o be o mic ne kakam rade osi bibia wo ko anobede na wo ka kire TV
Oga chatting for nyane se omunta muchuku na mu HYTV na we are so intimate koso.
All right. Na onim se eba no national development dia chairman wo de zia no na otisu. Zia no una otisu eba no national development zia wo na wo ye den. Ona otiso. Na producer ede adibia mame se menkanche na ansa na ebe hye bibia se no obema ye ne asi ni na afede ye de atoa so
Adichie mu nsɛm de Nyankopɔn nanim ne mu nsɛm ne nade yɔ de minumie no ɛna ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsɛm a esi anajo esi anwumrɛ ahomache ɛne de keka ho nyinaa no York morning yaboa no sɛ kasebɔ ebi so ɛyɛ paper review a ye de ba bɛsom wo bɔ wɔde asa obɛhyia ɛyɛ me Okamafo Clement ɛne mabɛdwafoɔ ɛwɔ York morning so every Monday up to Friday ɛyɛ 6 a.m. na fe yɛmfa nsɛm a asi wɔ manim nyinaa ɛmɛsom wo yɛbɛkɔ amama nyinaa so yɛbɛkɔ epuye ne atɔyɛ baabi biara a asɛm no hyɛ no yɛde bɛba na afe minumie no yɛadwendwen ho na wahu ɔman no ne kankɔ ɛne ne bɔbrɛ baabi a asi afa hyiamen na yɛndwen ɔman no
I have no feelings at all.
Is there anything more challenging in life than relationships? Maintaining long-lasting relationship is a challenge you must all relate to. And this is why you should join me, Nanaya Apia Jr. right here in the studios of HYTV, GH and York FM as we deliberate more on relationship issues. This is where broken relationships are sealed or repaired. On this show, we are going to talk about dating, courtship, who cheats most in relationship, and probably some of the things you must consider before entering any relationship.
Nasa also unim do baby so I am a baby.
Into point, listen. They like no matter inside, there's no more no money.
But only the only time baby one they are really supportive.
But if I'm rated 50%,
most we want say, we have them and say Oma oba attention. Kana like onim say when you want to say or you focus on
who catch you and I want catch you. A simple question.
I didn't say
they be me bow.
Okay, man can't you.
I don't think I know.
But yes,
also catch you. That's our point.
Yes, our point is on a point in the inferium. The inferium is a minute no go tell her. You can't be what you say. Only say did no tias. I didn't know can't tell me so. I mean, tias. I mean, no one you.
Don't miss out right here in the studios of HYTV and York FM as we deliberate more on these issues. Stay tuned. Don't miss it.
Adichie mu nsɛm de Nyankopɔn nanim ne mu nsɛm ne nade yɔ de minumie no ɛna ya ye di huduma pa enti no nsɛm a esi anajo esi anwumrɛ ahomache ɛne de keka ho nyinaa no York morning yaboa no sɛ kasebɔ ebi so ɛyɛ paper review a ye de ba bɛsom wo bɔ wɔde asa obɛhyia ɛyɛ me Okamafo Clement ɛne mabɛdwafoɔ ɛwɔ York morning so every Monday up to Friday ɛyɛ 6 a.m. na fe yɛmfa nsɛm a asi wɔ manim nyinaa ɛmɛsom wo yɛbɛkɔ amama nyinaa so yɛbɛkɔ epuye ne atɔyɛ baabi biara a asɛm no hyɛ no yɛde bɛba na afe minumie no yɛadwendwen ho na wahu ɔman no ne kankɔ ɛne ne bɔbrɛ baabi a asi afa hyiamen na yɛndwen ɔman no
Oh, you're going to see your miracle. Oh, Minimum, I saw down share. Minimum, I saw down share. What do you think? 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 What do you do?
And read this word. Romans 1:21. And that is and be fully convinced that what he has promised, he is also able to perform, and God has not failed one word of all his good promises. Amen.
Have the way, Yahweh, Barcelona, have the way, have the way, Abadi, Barcelona, have the way,
Good morning, Jumedino, and I do say this someone. Like I was saying, Honey York Estate, and then Abdum's boutique, and I saw you say, did you make it as some? Nah, yet, yes, you need a trust. And that's you would dare. Say, it's a Pakahin, or pay Sempa, Echebiana, Jamuamano, after yes, you know, or the trust. I'm a Crabapa. Na dene ko boko na ene de denesi
me da se na me metia wa hefo ne wati fu nyina e de ba HYTV ne yok FM so na onim se ensem asipa ensem asi na ensem na esisi no ene ne ekoso Ghana no se ya hwe ye bewie no ho e de problem be bra Ghana the SCC week we trend social media trend na ekoba nyina ya prophet na jogezi say unu obi kasa won unu obi ya ade na se wuni ma ade na nipa no oye na chale ben nipa ni bisanse de na eko ansa na obe de waye na waye den waye nya se me support
papa you know in se mebiresi
SCC
den na sie
the SCC ya me no kasa SCC nra Reverend Najogezi eko na busufi de okoye nyina ne se omo se oni ashawo ni bisiri mesere meka edam paso a omo chele a baba tabonti video na beto abonti na enu a wakọ na busuafie abusuafie no kọ no wakọ akọ prove se enya no pre na asenwe ni baa no the way omo si atwa abo papa no enya ize omo di na tema iti bisa so ye so for woni feelings ana
say bia kwan wo se wo ye nesu
oh no enti hwan pa na oye sofo na obema obi ana se ne mpana na one ne na waye video e da beto abonte
e wo mpam na se sofo de anka nse pata
e no wafase e no wafase
ono de abeto dwa se e no wafase nemu video no impression e create here
yes like ode yankwa video no na my video no first video no second video akọ na busuafie nra enwa akọ prove no say enya no pre say ne mpana na say ne kanche
e wa bosom so anase de
oh no akọ busuafie like in the family our family baba wa no ne maame ne wo fa no mabusia ni nyina atwa ahia so what I say enti producer my first video no na me wi ameka sem bia fa ho say Ghana for so kan omodika esan say the whole prophet na sabio wo fase na like obi ebi say ya so tu no for na wotia no Mr. Sofu wo feeling
Nemu on say na ne wo fa ase no.
Say ultimi no wo fa ase ekodam. Onim say we say police chief.
Oni ne nampem asema
oni ne nampem.
Producer ya video no. Mama me bu fu bra.
Video ni yenya.
Me say mama me
what are you talking about?
Me what are you video no mna.
Video ni yenya ya video.
O he ne da bio no wa he video no.
Wo do wo fa ase dam pa say ni ya no wo fa ase dam.
Producer pacho ma hwe video no why.
You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys?
NSC 250, come on, lolly titi. It's a pizza naughty in a Maserati. Take it, baby, easy. Fine boy like easy. You want kiss on body.
Wrong, get the kitty, you the wrong. Get a cup of drink with a drop cup.
Someone on the damn bumble. You see how they sing. And we never talking. We never talking.
Oh, you're telling me who blend you? You want to bamba? You want to G with the big boys?
Producer, yeah, make us.
What are you talking about? Suffer. You call yourself a pastor.
Know how to talk, eh?
You call yourself a pastor. You call yourself a pastor.
Producer, I'm not me near saying about. Me not me near saying about. Me not me about. Let me give my evidence. I'm not supporting anybody. I'm not defending anybody. People they be no I cannot correct. Man can you win? Don't tell him what you don't know.
Suffer.
Master, yantu aso therefore ebesa mo akwa wi o.
Yempe ni pon wase bre.
O kama po. Me na me dia ba. Me na ko wi me na me dia ba. Me ma evidence. Akra no almost say according to no offer no so ya actor or acting. And this all beto me. Na se me ti nyina fudwe ne. Na se bia ma ya akokra bia na o mbitem akokra bia. But we fa akokra ma me say me bra me bo enti mo ba akokra na. The guy is an actress. Okay, here's second video. E ma mi bu fu kra.
Endi e twa say so.
Mo kasa abrebia na mo kasa. Masa brafom. Me for over so tell me. Producer here's second video. Let's watch the second video.
Endi wo fa ase. And now I no need na me say e twa say police.
Here's second video.
E see invited.
Ti wo no wo dwen say police enchi no.
As a police by now,
now, sir, girl is of age, honestly of age.
What for I see it? Only say what that.
There be one night. Bobby, I'm sir. Only the no sir.
There be a sound Producer, let's watch the second video.
Producer,
let's watch the second video.
Producer.
Producer,
ne bom ne amo Chris Abadi tonton bom Chris Abadi na we tonton Mark dit one
Betis cara another
Slay you why is super Aqua Lydia Aqua Lydia Abo superstar they are there by national TikTok no standard app
but when you dey tell you
Ghana for hell Ghana for come make no money na ba Samantha no mabaso ono mombon komo why the fans is that a superstar Sandra
investigation By now, just say police are starting investigation.
Ababa wano or actress or acting.
Johnny so for acting.
According to ne wafano. What's no daily birthday? What I say? I thought daily birthday. Ababa for
Odini birthday.
Oh nigga. Ena onya.
Now one dey birthday.
Ena Ababa wana Sandra. Ena so oh offer. This is my phone. Yeah, TikTok. The guy is a TikToker. Oh yeah, TikTok. And this I say see makoma ho. And I say yajuma ra. And I say daddy when I say ebia oh daddy mommy my new phone yeah TikTok video. So what I say? Daddy what am pam na what am watching. So what am pam na what am watching. What am pam na what am watching. What am pam na what am watching. I say na person catch them.
Our dumping. So for public figure.
I'm not supporting the prophet, but Ghana will be one some Christian. Now TikTok. Enti asam ne ba ya no ande de omo follow ababa wa no ene mo ti omo bring that video no out. I'm not supporting Amofia president whatever. What I say? Enti asam bi si a o me I'm not supporting the I'm not supporting him. But asam si a ye hwehwe.
Na njisha mu be next way. Until I say you say IDP picking a fast.
What's in the command? What's in the command?
There's someone picking a fast.
And some minya.
Alright, I will see.
No. And they are what I'm some minya. No, Metro Moscow. Me one semen, me very and say me didn't say. Minya some me, number program. And son American. The all can American. It means to me, Sabi.
It's saying Tropa and 1 hour.
Oh, no, yes. What I say, Diaba. A buy an engineer. Oh, Scatcheran.
Bacho. That one be a personal attack. Bacho.
What do you want to tell me? What do you want to tell me?
Nasa on the babo, Nasa also like this media, they are Wakana Makania. So new Juma.
Bacho.
For him, Fanaqua thermometer, thermometer.
Make him my way. Bacho, you have to.
That's all, Bacho. No, what's up? Okay. Me on. Me buy now Itabia. Me phone. Oh, no be the phone now, brawa. Now because what we have phone now. Then I'll be. And now where we are. Open the phone, bro. Don't you prove the person. You want to prove the person. The person. The company for you. Oh.
Alright, I will see you.
You try your best, but still it seems that you cannot make it. Call on Jesus now.
Yeah, but we'll see the Nippon canon.
Or say I know what I see. Or say I know what I see.
And Tibia, why you know, or catch yourself in the office.
Oh, no, they don't know.
Jesus, your ankles
on one.
Oh, I did draw. It's only the name of him to say, you perceive that evident here. You cannot be seen about Nukunaira. Oh, Takradi. Kunaira, Naira. You hear my Yakayana, what we want to know. It didn't happen.
Yes, Mamma.
Or the oil.
Or them.
Mo. So what I say.
Sikawo when you be a yaba. Also when you were to
what I remember very well to say she was jailed.
Anka for your sumo yeah, no one.
Because Omuna can be a
mamre
and Omuna Sanya Mo. Inti say we also for public figure party liba betinasi. And then or send no see allegedly send a war for and then they got to them. maybe allegedly wasu wie allegedly ebe ye talk on the better about say and what fast na be anko so ni we ya so media na nanu mo him for mrem
so what you are saying say
allegedly petrol nija petrol enija
but on say one of the things maybe sir achim say achim
the person na ota
any support it to them
that you ucha tattoo na address how you pamoni yana
and you go and then it take them what fast so for
na say video no be any no fusu eno ye personal one
don't judge
all right abusia for some na edosun na when you say Ghana can continue any eti ha no we ye na esie ni ebetwa gu ye ye to aso dia na ye de nsema ya keka ade achew na mabobo so achew no ene to aso first on my list a reckless driver ya we nyina ye te ne wasem na Facebook social media Facebook Twitter Instagram the when handle bembium YouTube ni ade na chese etwagu ono de Fast and Furious cars ni bi na chese ono odwin se otwi wo Ghana hanum onim se sa Fast and Furious no moka kwan no anye ni bi na wo Ghana hanum intia police for the charges bi abono a wo hwe act ahodo a chese wo de betu dwa na ninsa egwom act ni bi e kire se wo hwe Ghana embrana na chese abrantie no watimi akose o say causing road obstruction contrary to regulation 170 of the Road Traffic Regulation Act 2012 after so or say causing danger to other road users contrary to section 22 of Act 683/04 as amended by 761/08 any insembebre ekekan wa woka say why after was say careless and inconsiderate driving contrary to act ahodwa ewo next charges are what they ebony bini said driving on the wrong side of the road contrary to regulation 106 after so what they charges are what they born no na be baku be say 7 what they bought abranti and say 6 what they bought abranti I say abranti no wato emra na abranti no cars akese be say mienu and am kwan so eno no so ede ne de ne nam ho a chese Fast and Furious eno de the kwa no de aba nanse a ebi betwegu be say afi etwemu yi bosumi mienu ntemu yi na ni ye che abranti bi sa ena we so aba ye bisa say additional de ye nsua na say asodin and say punishment na was increasing achin president
we know that can say on say why confuse abradu so for number confuse
asofo chem ade tin unja unyi asofo ni mfim
asofo ni bi ama
ebi asofo ni bi
ama omo ye confuse
okay
oh because of course the home ebi a okoshe nkom oye Ghana ni say o see your friend
how does income shall not add to or no driver no
okoshe nkom ma why confuse
say why dey
say oye Ghana ni na the papers ni na di adanse so oye Ghana no okoye so asofo see your friend Ghana ni bi say your friend wo fia enjoy your confuse say oba for the document and the akwa ye umofia
ache president oh yeah propaganda
and then the
propaganda and we say asofo enka ho
me say asofo ni bi na say man kasa asofo
no asofo whether fake or true prophets they are not part of the causes of you can say road accidents any reckless driving which mean ka say asofo is part
of baby and why man ebubu na dwi Enti ọkọ no obabra ọkọ tena ka mu a wosi kan so ọkọ.
So for kan chen so hye ne nkomo fa ko drive.
Ohuni amatutu emie umofia arane Ghana fie umofia na Ghana. No dey da na me. Ajaze. Enti ọkọ nyina na adwen na se.
Chairman.
Number 2 ebi kura na wife so asa afra ne say wajano because baby ọkọ ye me. Umofia na ọkọ tena na se no so wajano. Number 3 enkola ni school fees enkola ni ba be school tie se e ba be school fees. Ena na adwuma wura nso nya ntia ne kai. Enti adwena skata se obi ya Ghana ni na so se e na se what send the big
that side there. That side there we need
because of wo fu anywhere duane a wo pay you bukata wo pa yenti wetin me asese obi di bread just a second odi asese obi di bread every Ghana say yem from Ghana for bi
wan ka se yem from Ghana for
no so
Asemo Okai and say, or say, I am not prophesying to the people of Ghana, I'm prophesying to the people of Umofia. He never said emphatically, said. It was virtual and then like they were sitting there also. No, if you're not Kasache, those watching virtual. Samina. Nana chimo de. Bacho ma wanu si. Okay.
And Ghana police in Sunday say opo mu asama na akọ money. Why say abuani di ni and e terrible. Nti ni say say aboa no aboa we efense the other danger wa ba de yesi onis anasi yesi season say more of the say enka aboa bi adu enu aba de na enu nkyere say wo otwe anasa oria brabedi abro ewo nanu brabedi pilolo wo nanu obekana no otu what dey say enti Ghana police wo hono say omonuma bi
unya ba ya ebe fa nana nana reckless driving
only bibi as no can many na cry because much we are talking about discipline and law in this country.
Why are they
in fact yeah, they are so some no SMI no na me be catch us say when a suman one or call baby don't shift yeah money ye yes say yeah they are for some na dey live mind unim nyam suma unim nyam so Israel they work omuti braso me de kaso example ye jansi nipa be 30 40 timi ko gina kwan no a ka hu se e wo so mu gina omo besin nipa besin ko they will not but different countries it's automatic hu se nipa ni gina ma pressure o gina no e dey otwam nti o se ye che no me nka ncho se pressure bi na ade bi nti e na okoye sa niam no
nana ebe ye be ye den na ya te ye reckless driving so
I was say ya we yemfa mra ne nya adwuma mra ne de adwuma enya sofo ne de
baby mra ne wo ho ye de ye adwuma sisi ano ono committee ye ne ye chi no
yes ya
but ye be den a prevent on say sisi ano say ya chi no mpu no so de akunipa wo de akunipa na wi o chi ase
ye twe na so public
de bi o ba ye be den na embassy obi kura kon be do say o chi ase
yes and na so twe no
aso twe no
yeah
bill enchi bia ba kono say ye man bill no ko
ene na ese man no ye mfa mra nya adwuma ye mfa mra nya adwuma enfan so wo wasam na wo kan ode bible sam ye de mra ne bu man
aven no akenya nsasam ba akuntima me fa wo
se mi nim nyansa tem
ye
mi nim nyansa tem
ye ko nana
ye de mra so wo bie wadwuma
ye si nyansa ni ba ko foti mu ba cho
so ode wo bie wadwuma na ode mra o si se mra de ye adwuma masa within short time you go bro sana o mai mu wo man no si se mra man fa ha ya nso ha fa because what be se mra now so why then where this so that be sick room na manfo monitor no reckless driving. Now what I say there be a somebody traffic nobody will commit.
Are we saying that there are no signs of that sort? Say ubetwe we say unse wo mu to one drive safely. Any other signs ni nyina wo.
Omo fa nje adwuma.
Enti ni ye be dan na ya tesande ma ne so.
Ye pese ye this anomaly say let's go to straight Ghana police. They should stop one city quality. They should stop. If
no.
Oh yes.
I don't agree with you because everybody knows that the current IGP has restored the image of the cancer in Ghana Police Service.
So I will give you. I can give you, but not. Hey, with him. If you want to know our that's all we are driving here. So, only lances here. Instead of you some bad so say go and do your lances. They will collect you money and they allow you to go.
Oh,
Ayamla. Who the lances watching me? Who the lances? Okay, this is who can. Koye lances na alphabetical. Upepes ya koye pepes na alphabetical. Okay, what drive the carriers? Carriers now what drive you know. Emremo no, I was see a chiwaso. Send a bear who you be on infant to a man for almost the any. But it's all called Sika. No, Sika, what you are capable of go to. You're telling go to the buy. You see a bill no Yedisika. If you have money, you are free, you bet man and say, but Oko baby and Tessa.
David.
Then a Ghana, Yahoo. I say, who needs to car warm about? If you don't have money, Massa. You move.
It's reckless driving.
Who
should we apportion blame to?
Oh, one. The law. Yamfa blame Pama Marano. Afeni Yamfa, second one, Marano. When they dim Marano so. When they send my dim Marano so.
Okay.
See, who sound Yama Minu ya? You beat me to us here.
Sharp. All right. Ebusia. On this note, no, you ever see ye catch a ye a driver phone, you know, so one more modern say, we wait me a share na wama a year driving no chese niji abam. It sounds as easy and we are cry to make a such driver. Ni bia timi cancel fun bia chere adraba for yem ma yem hu se Ghana no menu mienu dia ansha careless driving no wonim se wo fa sini anase wo fa si bi etwam na wo de akoye den wo de akobo no ensem no edoso o se den our next issue ye be kasa afan ho Ghana National Fire Service. Ghana National Fire Service. Now, tune my main shot in view so answer my call the boss eso. When you say Ghana National Fire Service, they be more challenges.
Oh,
yeah, sure.
Oh, yeah.
The whole Ghana.
Oh, yeah.
Civil servants for governments.
Yes. Government judgment for no more rough.
Change teacher for.
Oh, na teacher need the okwa be teacher ni wan ekoti tu also.
Oh yes.
Trade abafia be ukra usua de ma wadi mo abi. But Ghana Fire Service eja to ba bi na ye kwako like ye kwako dum na akade enu so. Mo pu mo to se na ukwa goku wo.
Na onim de asi wo brekum.
Brekum ya mikro.
Na ogope mu brekum a sisi ano ye say mo car na mo de fight ye no. Eja no. Can I say?
Ebe say.
It is here no say CBC is it as obey jogging. And I say the obey some for taxi. Meaning say who shares that video na etwagu ye na Ghana Fire Service for the taxi. Omode taxi ne kudum eye eja no. On em che no. Eti no mi bisasa sisi ano. Brekum dey no. Director wo ho aye Ghana Fire Service one director wo no. Esre ankran ne aban se won be so won asene na afidi wuntimi siesie car
me pese me bisa brekum fo asem bi se brekum fo mo amuntie me bre ho brekum no mto omo pa kire se omo municipality no omo ntimi mwa support nya car ni nyina aban
se omo no mo ya aban no municipality ni aban
edi da ho no common car no be service
ebi a district ebi a common fan number ntia
omo ma adwuma no ye me support aban no but say krom na say bibini a e wo say omo na bi
so omo to man so onko shemra
wasemra no saa take to mo je ne ya woda market wo no na ya woda mo di dwa ho omo de yeden
set ticket no for road, it's not for fire service.
Eni na eku ye no for road na say road
no you can't misuse money. Meba Ache president Mpacho Ghana Fire Service so mo ka say Anka, I think that there should be a channel of communication. Ghana Fire Service or Mwankasa board kesiye nankasa no it be a national head no and be providing money now run it down up to Ghana Fire Service or more breakum. Shouldn't it be so?
And that's it.
Manuel Sio.
Meba.
Manuel Sio.
Meba. Ubekasa. Memo akasa yengo.
Ewi ebeku abondi no. Me
mebo mpaya mamunyi na manso. Mebo mpaya mamunyi.
The channel say Ghana for ewa adwene bia omde ya aban.
Fe na oba me de no.
Oba te sa adwene bia weke bia ne dia.
Ghana for adwene bia omde ya aban.
Okay.
Na sa adwene say amesesa. No matter what. And the person me bisa sa fire director John Juan Bekum say unika
say I know the man fan tuga
so oka
man fan tuga
definitely obe oka okay good say utwi car na na car type ya oyede
OCC
the car no say bosumi bia no or the coin
repairs
say aban de since eya aban say yetuko eba na type ya we sika ni fi aban ho
say aban adwuma na wo ye
aban farmer ya there is nowhere obi betu ni botum say but all friends say ankra mebwa na ono anya ankra. What are you talking about?
Ankra ebi wo wonsem ankra ebi wo wonsem na Ghana Fire Service ani ani de de mo musa
de atenze Ghana police bra eseye no ni ehia nipa ba ko pe e manaba abeka say the law must work eni enya adampare ba and the law is working.
Okay.
Greater Accra. And cry bola sahama. Niye hiye ni paba akope.
Yeah.
Amanaka say, let Accra work again.
Henry Coty.
And yenya Henry Coty.
Okay.
Emaneye. Ghana National Fire Service. Omu ni banu deni. What is our kasape?
Debbie.
Soldier, omu ni banu deni.
Okasa yebe yi na fiwo.
When in a floor.
Oh, Nancy, when you say teacher Kojo, na you say or ma a church for Yetimi won Niama Woyeno, Nepuma Sibre, ye nephew.
I know your teacher Kojo, and also Ghana education.
Also, John, Ghana
education service as I don't know, almost even passing a back home.
And the men won't call the enemy of Ghana Fire Service. I didn't hear a sense also Osuro.
Yes.
Ugokan abai till Kaise in Ghana the key still in Ghana no meba in Ghana no the key people mo da ade na no by political appointment.
Yes.
Inti no se me so regina akasetia political party no so say on mame akadia ene na ye yi me fiwo and because of that no o man for any person be kasa.
Don't forget, there's difference between education and law enforcing agency. Law enforcing agency.
I'm asking you. Meba. Is Ghana Fire Service a law enforcement agency?
Oh yeah.
What law do they enforce?
Are they not part of the law enforcing agency?
No, I don't really know.
Check
Send it here.
Check
no, on which part?
Since Ghana National Fire Service, also law enforcement.
Like I know that they are the service for BBC, so if you be see on carelessly and all those stuff, they can do the arrest, but they cannot arrest you and then send you. They will go for arrest warrants from the police, and then they will take you from there. But not directly as they. No. Say you just share back. You just share back. Say you moka ho.
Na fire service wada.
Bibia betimi asi.
Na omo ada.
Bibia betimi asi.
Na omo ada.
Bibia betimi asi.
Enti omo so kan law enforcing
iti na me ka kire say nipa ne kasa. Onim say
ye here pani wo Ghana National Fire Service a ono so beba no beka say because
na ye nyini fi ona na no aduane nkobọ no.
Na dampare ye yin afi wa.
Da bi ono ne de different.
Ye make no nyanti ase o. Ye hie nipa ono so be ma Ghana National Fire.
Dampare fam be tu dwa say omu hie tu. Tio, utie. Oh. Eno no tio. Listen. This man we are talking about Obia Omeka Sebia Okwa Hanusia Omuni Kas. Intino Mumbe Boy. This person so now will can once a month. Or not the abetuga, or no crown or cancer.
What I want you to understand, the Ghana National Fire Service is not active. It's not active
because of what?
It's not active.
Because of what?
Because of a name of money. Why I say?
And whose fault is it?
Fire Service, I say, baby, not almost boss.
Yes. Say Juma be ambai.
Say Juma mai. One of them is na say me ya Juma na say be I me wo free time
leisure time.
Leisure time.
Ben usa atade
no jamai. Tio.
Uniform na say who do me have no.
Baby am ti ase. Meti ase say problem ba he dey our leisure time.
And your leisure time,
no.
Use your uniform.
No. What should he be doing at that point in time? What should he be doing?
They have a lot of work over there.
No.
They have a lot of work over there.
Listen.
They no one call on school. And they come away.
You can do back because
who said they have a lot of work. Who say and go school? How do you know that they have a lot of work over there? Okay,
because one say they must to educate people about fire. And think
no, your education team wo obi ane na adwuma oye e wo Ghana Fire Service ni.
Yeah.
Team member say me am kodum gya no. Me am gina ekona no me na me koye education. Eye yie tio, eye yie. Obi a wo na adwuma. Ye ma obi anye na adwuma se ne ese. Se tie meba. Who catch him say me am dum gya no. Say jamba ya I should go and do education. When at the time I'm here education say BBC am anything.
It has all the boss.
Yes, Spano okay ana.
Spano
because the ebe
enye
nsa.
O man ebe ye yi.
Ebe ye leble.
The obedum ja. Jamai emongodum nti so the bo spa na on the run atade egu ni ko ho was at work. Work it so yes I we nu nyina dia. Ene ye de ebe ya ene ebe ya no nti so omo nika.
So cast na say ye pen puma sibre. Why na ye na say the porting say on this side.
So
debut
they should fix it by themselves. Police in transport me can say and the car say it
meba wa say timude timude wanya omotonfo meba forms no mo print into omutiaka forms no mo print omutiaka tie omoton into omo print omo de atua timude Yamal company car si for adwuma. Company car no SAB a wo de sika be.
Esena was send me the Messica and the Messica.
Why me
we dump not as one who we now Kaya Adua. I feel the best and this come out. Why don't you fix it? And you come and tell the company. Company goes, oh yeah, this guy.
I say you quite sure. It was station war, a station war.
A station.
And I do on my when you say Ghana Fire Service or Mocasino, like peculiar. And it's a cast be it's a musicano, Ebia Nesso. Every Quabeca engine Sika.
Fire service.
Can you engine?
Our bodies time home. You will never walk alone.
My dear dance here. Say Ghana no aye ye. A sunset. York morning ewa hanom say betimi siesie Ghana. Utie acting president Ghana for ye yaye pesemi kumunya pa. Ye de ne de betimi asi aye ne yi. Sebe osimu keka wa onye obi na beka che ose tutu. No bomodi embomodi ase. Abanya de ya di. Ase wo secondary school any JHS. Che say enkunya na ye say say ye say na yan kasa na ye say ye suku aye wo mu. No men doing say aban de nti wo say. Yes ye tu ebutu mu an ye yi bi. But me was bi ka kire aban. Sika no kra hin na mo de ma fire service for no mo ekoyi bi e de ye kasa ebese bombo modin ase no so kasi yakane sa nti Jesus de besi wo sa bombo modin ase betimi ayi sika kudu obi di akomo bi si a omo so omo timi de asiesie ye be ka asem we ma na twato we me mu bia 1 minute onka asem we ho asem ohempon wo bonache e wo tirigi nkwanta constituency one ni manfo sisia no asem a wo kan ya bi o wetimi aboabo sika no e no mo say clinic e wo ho no o manfo ne doso nti o mu bie makoye ne hospital o mo so mo ntwen aban yetine so ya sorry
obi ba bi akonya no
Nana Kwame Besane the second Obesane aponi nyina
obi ba bi akonya no ensase paton agudi yana na bi ofiri adorodia ewo akonya no nyina
atafri ni nyina
ne akoso fokra de nsa already ebe won the material for that yes
and so
omusi fokra akoye de omusi fokra akoye busu amansu na Eastern region that's why you have investigation as bibia no eye am oji bibia party we ba am bibia baba bia no oji no but on really omanfo bibia ohini bi mu wakawi omo ose edash na on the rima owoyire no san famba but enko ohini bia nyansa ni ndie Solomon die ni bi mu obi omanfo una ohwe ebuama aban senka obi aye ne se ya nka aban ka ni tuma bi so bete ye pe toilet aban aye se oba boni awawa na okoto je niku okoto nchine o prescribe niku ne dross o prescribe niku okoye ni ti o prescribe niku
asema oka woni se point bi wo ho no ba bi a wo kasa fa ya ne ho mbema kantin katimi begina camera ni mka se ye twen aban ama na mbe ye ya ne ewo
ekura be ma mesia
esi ontimi ntu amana enye ya ne
no mo
Ya neno.
No mo ko ba mana. Every year some so mo ko ya ni wu omo nye. Sabi se we did afache. Omo so mo ntimi nye. Enti Akufo-Addo free Jubilee House. Na omfa aso emtu ne ka mu. No mra kura na so na mabo ya ni.
Mr. President we adwuma yo.
So that's why I am saying the kakra na say be ni company. Me dey make up and kura ni gini na dey do.
Omanfo su say yenye de ye pe akwan no. Nana tim de. Ohini point then I walk at him.
Nipa ya de osai. Sabi. Nipa oya de osai. Because obi ya de so bona baso. Na meka na wana obi ya ka de pa. Etu wana ya de pa ye bona baso.
Chia wadofo ma me wai. Chia wadofo. Ene wo.
Me fans followers.
Okay. One boy di. Na timde onya de kra we untanchia. O de even say wo mpuna no. Uni girl. Okay. All right. Chairman, because I have 1 minute per night.
Reverend Patience Wobek, World Liberation Assemblies of God, and we were Doreen food.
Okay.
Doreen.
Hey, sir. Oh, I know it's channel.
The Mechia Christmas of Mammy did the year, World Liberation Assemblies of God, or Mammy did the year.
One kind. All right. Abushani that was say 7 it's na here free and resantia sabisi and then okama for Clement me na di dwumadi ne huna cha yakopon unshira na onya okese onto nkwende mu 7 atna program no e wo si ewie ne mu she sama omanfo ensa enka frɛ Hanioke State na ne wondi nkomo na wo ma usase pani bi 02430 Halfway so Adams Boutique so 0243708485. I want to pa am wa. Say you ni sina so want me kan dia na so come for Clement. We see hanu. Ochina anopa. HYTV omo to aso. Oni ma pa bebre omode esumu.